How to cancel an offer on Poshmark as a buyer or as a seller. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can cancel an offer on Poshmark. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you'd like to cancel an offer on Poshmark that you might have made for purchase or for sale, all you have to do is go ahead and open up your browser, go to www.poshmark.com and sign into your account. I'll also have a link prepared down in the description box. Then once you've done that, you have to tap your account icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the top right, here you'll find a section called My Offers. So that's basically where you want to go. Just go to My Offers, and then over here, all you have to do is select the offer that you would like to cancel, which you have made for purchase or maybe for sale. Then you have to select the help option. Then from the drop-down menu, all you have to do is just select cancel offer, and then your Poshmark offer will be successfully cancelled. That's it on how you can cancel an offer on Poshmark. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.